A very good morning, class. We have already started in the last lecture with lesson number 7 of our secretarial practice. So, we are already finished introduction part relating to the correspondence with the debenture holders. So, we have already covered this topic, and so what are the precautions secretary should take while correspondence with the debenture holder of the company. So today we will be focusing on specimen letters and see how the secretary writes the letter related to the certain topics or circumstances under which he or she has to enter into a communication and correspondence with the debenture holder. So class, in this particular specimen letter we will be covering 4 types of letters. The following are few of the circumstances to enter into a correspondence with the debenture holder. First one is specimen letter informing the participant about allotment of debentures. Second one, informing about payment of interest, which is done in a two form, that is interest warrant, and other one is electronic payment of interest. Third one, letter for conversion of debenture into equity shares. Fourth one, letter for redemption of debentures. Okay. So class, we will be focusing today on the very first letter, that is informing the participant about allotment of debenture. Before we move on through the specimen letter, I just want you to ask some questions related to the topic. The topic is regarding allotment of debenture. So before we move on to the main topic, let's first revise the basic questions that we have already covered in a previous chapter. So questions: what is the meaning of debentures? Second, so you are, remember class, आंसर टू योर सेल्फ. आपको पहले रिमेंबर करना है खुद से कि आंसर इनके क्या होंगे. ठीक है. सो what type of capital is debenture? What is debenture certificate, that is DC? When is the debenture certificate issued to the debenture holders? What is a debenture trust deed? Okay. So questions के answers. First, what is the meaning of debenture? So it is nothing but an acknowledgement of a debt. Second, what type of capital is debenture? So debenture is a borrowed or a debt capital. Third, what is the debenture certificate? It is given basically to the debenture holder as a evidence or a proof to title to debenture. Okay. Fourth one, when is the debenture certificate issued to the debenture holder? So within a 6 months from the date of allotment of debenture. Fifth one, what is the debenture trust deed? It is an contract between the company and debenture holder, debenture trustees, showing the power, duties and rights of debenture trustees and interest of the debentures holder. Okay. So class, I hope you all are aware of all the questions which I have asked you right now. So we will be just a quick one sentence answers for all these questions. ये सब जो क्वेश्चन है सब रिवाइज क्वेश्चन है आपके प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स के. सो एक जस्ट आपका रिवीजन हो रहा है कि इनके आंसर्स वन सेंटेंस में क्या होंगे. सो आई होप द you all are ready to go to the first letter that we are gone study today. ठीक है. So letter is letter of allotment of debentures. So when a company allot a debenture to applicant, letter of allotment of debenture is sent to the debenture holder. This letter is allotment is to be preserved by the debenture holder as he get debenture certificate in exchange of this letter. So all those applicant who had applied for the debenture of the company, whoever has been allotted the debenture, all them gets the letter of allotment. This we already covered in the lesson number 6. Also, when the shares were allotted to the participant and they are informed by letter of allotment, so the participant has to preserve that letter of allotment, because on that basis only he or she will get the debenture certificate. Now, what the letter contain? This letter contain the detail of issue of debenture, that is the letter that is how many number of debentures were applied, how many number of debenture allotted, the distinctive number of debentures, how much amount is received, type of debentures, where it is secured or unsecured, convertible or non-convertible, participating or not participating, rate of interest, maturity date, etc. Okay, so let us have a look how a secretary write the letter to the participant who are allotted the debentures. So this is the performa or a way the letter is written, as you can see, and as you all know, it share with the name. It is started with the name of the company, that is a Disha Industries Limited. Then along with the CIN number, that is corporate identification number. Now this is a listed company. Okay, so L on the CIN number, देखो L है दिखा दिया हुआ यहाँ पे, तो it is a listed company. On the right hand side, phone number, fax, reference number. In this case, this is DH. DH means debenture holders. On the right hand side, website, email, date, that is 20th May 2019. After that, the inside address, it is written to Mr. Vijay Mittal. His address is given over here. His address related to the where he stays and all. Then in the center you have a subject, allotment of debentures. Dear sir, in response to your application number DI8013, dated on 30th April 2019, I am directed by the Board of Directors to inform you that you have been allotted 10% non-convertible secured debenture of rupees 100 each. The tenure of debenture is for 5 years. So, understand class, the person has applied and his application number was DI8013. So the secretary is informing on behalf of director that the person has been issued 100 debentures which are 10% non-convertible secured debenture of rupees 100 each. So 100 debenture for 100 rupees. How much amount received by the company is 10,000 rupees. The person has purchased rupees 10,000 debentures in the company for the period of 5 years, out of which 10% are non-convertible and secured debenture. These debentures are allotted as per the board resolution passed at a board meeting held on 16th May 2019 and as per terms and condition of articles of association of the company and debenture trust deed. So the process has been approved and application also has been accepted, and that is why the person has been allotted the number of debentures as per articles of association and debenture trust deed. The details of the allotment of debentures are as follows. First one is, so these are the details which are given in a letter. Okay, so first one is the folio number, that is D90. Second one, number of debenture applied was 100. Number of debenture allotted was also 100, and the distinctive numbers is allotted to this particular person from lot number 1301 to lot number 400. So this lot of debenture has been allotted to Mr. Vijay Mittal, and the amount received is 1000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. So the debenture certificate enclosed herewith. So the debenture certificate also has been sent along with the letter of allotment of debenture. Next, thanking you, yours faithfully, for Disha Industries Limited. Sign signed by the company secretary Avinash Natu. Enclosure, you can see debenture certificate is been attached and sent along with this particular letter. So I hope class, the letter is very simple to understand, and you must have follow how a letter regarding issue of allotment of debenture has been written by the secretary with the debenture holder of the company. So with this class, we end with our first specimen letter, and I always hope, and as all of you know, I hope I have told you, whenever we are doing any correspondence related to the chapter, you have to practice all these letters 2 to 3 times in your notebook as a homework. लास्ट ईयर से हम लोग ये करते आ रहे हैं कि जब भी लेटर होता है वो लेटर आप लोग घर पे जाके 2 बार आपके नोटबुक में क्या करते हैं तो लिखते हैं. ओके, तो इस साल भी वो कंटिन्यू करना है. जब कॉलेज स्टार्ट होगा मैं आपके नोटबुक चेक करने वाली हूँ और लेटर्स गिन के चेक होंगे. ओके, सो thank you so much for listening to me. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep learning and keep practicing. All the best for your unit test.